My brother, Frank Simmons, is one of the world's best. Three days ago, Frank set off to climb Chomolunzo with a climbing partner, Paul Ward. He's still up there. Somewhere. Frank and Paul were hired to make the climb by Edward Bennett. They were supposed to recover an ancient artifact that Bennett knew about. But after they found it, they had some sort of argument. To base camp, a storm blew up, and now none of the Sherpas will set foot on the mountain they call the Sacred One. So, once again, it's Eric Simmons off to rescue his kid brother. And I swear, if I find the stupid bastard alive, I'm gonna kill him.